Hello, thanks for joining us. In this video, we will be discussing Kindergarten Standard 7 that relates to measurable attributes of objects. Let's get started. Kindergarten Standard 7 is part of the big idea of measurement and data reasoning that includes the attributes of objects and classifying objects. Kindergarten Standard 7 focuses on the physical and measurable attributes of objects. In this standard, students are observing, describing, and comparing the attributes of objects. We'll look more closely at expectations for students related to this standard. In pre-K, students are expected to describe experiences involving measurement. Students in pre-K compare objects and use standard and non-standard tools for measurement. Students in kindergarten explore the measurable attributes of objects. Students should have opportunities to make direct comparisons between objects in relation to length, height, width, or weight. Students should use language such as heavier, lighter, longer, taller, shorter, wider, larger, and smaller when comparing objects. As students explore the attributes of length, height, width, and weight, they should also be able to discuss the difference between the different measurable attributes. For example, students should know when they are referring to how long an object is, they're referring to the length and not the weight of the object. In pre-K, students are expected to describe experiences involving measurement. Students are given opportunities to sort objects by a given characteristic. Kindergarten students should be able to sort objects by characteristics. This standard can be integrated with other standards by sorting things like coins, which can be sorted by color or coin type. Students could also sort coins based on their value. Students can also sort 2D and 3D shapes in several different ways by using the different attributes of the shapes. Students may sort the shapes between 2D shapes or flat shapes and 3D shapes or solid shapes. Shapes can also be sorted by color and size. 2D shapes can be sorted by the number of sides or vertices. When sorting shapes, students are applying what they have learned or noticed about their attributes, which integrates with geometric reasoning. There are a number of children's books that are excellent resources for exploring measurement. Here are just a few examples of what you could use. The kindergarten expectations of the measurement and data reasoning standard is foundational to the skills developed in higher grades. We've taken a look at Kindergarten Standard 7, student expectations, and some learning experiences to help students demonstrate mastery of the standard. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
The Georgia Department of Education provides several resources to support teachers with the implementation of Georgia's K-12 mathematics standards. Curriculum maps and interactive instructional units are available to support teaching and learning of the standards. The GADLE Community Platform facilitates professional learning communities for each grade level and high school course to foster collaboration and support across Georgia. All teachers and teacher leaders are encouraged to join the community specific to their grade level or course. Ongoing professional learning is also available and can be found on the GADOE Mathematics webpage. The Mathematics Virtual Specialists provide monthly professional learning opportunities offered by the Georgia Department of Education, and the annual MathCon conference sessions are also available to provide information related to the new standards. All of these sessions are recorded and posted online for teachers to reference on demand. Regional support is also available through the local regional educational service agencies. The Math Mentors at each RESA provide professional learning opportunities and work with schools and districts to support teaching and learning of mathematics. For the most up-to-date information on Georgia's K-12 mathematics standards, please visit www.gadoe.org/mathematics.